What if I show you how to add two characters in your video? Really? It's called clone. Hi guys, welcome to our beginners class. And today we're going to show you how to clone yourself in your video. But before then, my name is Linda and you are Chinyere, Chi for short. Now, if you watched our previous video, we talked about gadgets you need to start your online journey, which you believe you must have gotten your tripod stand and your camera source, which might be your phone, and also your light source. Now, these three things are going to be important for this particular editing. So the software we're going to be using for this particular editing is going to be our Capcut. So stay with us while we put you through it. What if I show you how to add two characters in your video? There are two ways to film your video. It's either you film the two characters in one video or you film the two characters separately and import the second one as an overlay. For you to do this, you have to have a script to know when to talk and when not to talk. But I do advise that you give enough space when filming so that you can always cut it off if it's too much. But it is better than when you don't even give space and you get to talk faster than you are meant to talk. You give space for the other person who is meant to respond to have enough time, to respond to you. Once you're done with the first character, you move to the other side to, act the second character. Now, it is very important that you avoid the middle space. Although I was not conscious enough to avoid the middle space, but I was able to fix that. Try as much as possible to avoid the middle space. The both of you will be at the extreme end of your video and it will give you a seamless editing compared to where you have to start fixing one or two things in your video. But anyways, let's proceed to the editing part of this video. You go to your CapCut, click on Add Project and import this video into your CapCut. Play the video to know where to cut it and add as overlay. What if I show you how to add two characters in your video? We. Chinyere, Chi for short. Now we are done with the first part. What we need to do now is to check where the second part starts from. Then we cut it from there and click on overlay, hereby bringing it down, then dragging it to the front. When you're successfully dragged it to the front, then you go back and look for marks. Now, what marks does is it helps you split the two images so you get to see the second character. You can see there's only one character showing. So you click on horizontal, it will show this line, this demarcation. You go to rotation, then adjust it to 90 degrees. Keep going till it gets to 90 degrees. Now that was why I said avoid the middle. You can see that I was not properly placed. I was close to the middle and that's why it is like this. So I have to do some adjustments because I made mistake and stayed close to the middle. But assuming you're not in the middle, you will be properly placed. You don't need to adjust anything again. Everything will sync well. But since I was in the middle, I needed to adjust for my full image to come out. So then shifted it. You can see I'm trying to shift it towards the right hand side while also avoiding the flower holder from showing. If I was in a proper place, the flower holder can show and it will not affect this video. But because I'm not in the proper place, the flower holder is not in the right hand side but is in the left hand side, meaning that if it shows, it's going to affect this video. So I have to keep adjusting till the flower holder is not showing and my full image is showing. I'm still adjusting. Then once I'm done adjusting, my full image is showing, the flower holder is closed. I'll go back to marks, because if you notice there is a line in between them, so I don't want that line to show. What I just need to do, when I get to marks, I click on feather. Now when you click on feather, you can see the line is no longer obvious. You just feather it out just a little and the line fades out. What if I show you how to add two characters in your video? Now it's time to synchronize the video. The first character has spoken, the second character did not reply immediately, so we need to start splitting and cutting. After splitting and cutting, we drag it to the front till it responds immediately after the first character has spoken. What if I show you how to add two characters in your video? It's called clone. Okay, here we cut too much, so we have to reverse the cutting and then start cutting it small so that we don't make that mistake again. What if I show you how to add two characters in your video? What if I show you how to add two characters in your video? Really? It's called clone. That was a bit slow, so we'll cut a little. What if I show you how to add two characters in your video? Really? It's called clone. That was still a bit slow, so we'll cut more again. What if I show you how to add two characters in your video? Really? It's called clone. Perfect. Hi guys, welcome to our beginners class, and today we're going to show you the we is meant to come after the first I am going to. So we have to cut the first video, not the second one this time. Now we're going to listen to the video and cut that first video from where it said we, where it's meant to respond from. That's where we're going to cut it from. Beginners class, and today that was fast, so we have to readjust a bit again. And today and today and today perfect. We're going to show you how to clone yourself in your video. But before then, my name is Linda, and you are Chi for short. How to clone yourself in your video. But before then, my name is Linda, and you are Chi for short. That was too fast. We need to make some consequential adjustments from the front. And today we're going to show you how to clone yourself in your video. But before then, my name is we're going to show you how to clone yourself in your video. But before then, my name is Linda, and you are Chi for short. And today we're going to show you how to clone yourself in your video. But before then, my name is Linda, and you are Chi for short.
Now we are done and the video is ready.
Thank you for staying with us at the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed today's class. If this is your first time of watching our video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and follow up with our subsequent classes. Here we take it step by step. So journey with us while we grow our online presence. So I hope to see you in my next class. Bye-bye.